we offer the PhycoLabAnalyser. It is a new instrument and we want to introduce this instrument to you in a very short movie. So I open the case to show the basics of this instrument. We have here a lid to open, and this is the core of the PhycoLabAnalyser. We have a cuvette where we can measure the phytoplankton content. The instrument is based on the algae lab analyzer, which can measure different algae classes at the same time in real time. Okay, I would like to show you how easy it is to perform a measurement with the algae PhycoLabAnalyser. Here we have the sample again with the phytoplankton. I put it inside here, close the lid to bring it into a dark to adapt it. And then we have here the software. This is the BBE++ software where we can immediately start, and I can show you how easy it is to operate the system. So I just only have to go to the start and just start here now. I have to add, of course, a comment. If you like, you can do this here. I use this one. And then I go again to start the process. This bar shows you the progress of the measurement, and we have to wait a little time, but everything runs automatically. Here we can shortly show you the construction of the PhycoLabAnalyser. Here we have the illuminated switch on. Then we have here the main component, that is the lid with the chamber for the cuvette. I can open it to show. You see it here, cuvette. When it is closed, it is absolutely in the dark. Then you have here on two places to store empty cuvettes when you are outside in the field, for example, and you want to use other cuvettes. On this side you see the output, which is the connection between the PC and the PhycoLabAnalyser. Let us now present the results of the measurement we took recently. So the measurement took about 3 minutes, and we have here now the results. This is the sample where we collected the water. Then we have here the chlorophyll content, the total chlorophyll content. Mainly it is green algae and partially it is diatoms, but we have also some minor parts of the blue-greens. So this is done automatically and shown here on the screen, and you've got it immediately after the measurement. We also determined the photosynthetic efficiency here in the sample, and what you see here is the so-called average Genti, which shows us the capability of photosynthesis, and this means also the health and the activity of the algae which are inside of the water. We now have another sample from this lake. It's a different place, and we expect to see some cyanobacteria here. So I push the start button once more. Now we see here the warming up of the LEDs. Takes a few seconds. Then we see the progress bar where we have the F measurement, which is the concentration of the different algae and cyanobacteria in the sample. And after that we determine the transmission of the sample, and here we have the results of this. And what you can see here, that we have a high amount of cyanobacteria, so-called blue-green in our program. What we also see, there is no unbound phycocyanin in this sample, which means these cyanobacteria are not stressed. And what you see that there are no green algae, a minor part of Planktothrix, and no other algae. And this within 1 minute. So the BBE PhycoLabAnalyser offers the simultaneous determination of chlorophyll concentrations and also the transmission, as you can see here. And as an option we have the photosynthetic efficiency of the microalgae, and everything is measured here in the 25 milliliter cuvette. Additionally, the PhycoLabAnalyser measures the amount of unbound phycocyanin if it's inside of the sample. What you can see here is nothing inside.